Name's John Erickson, auditioning for the role of Michelle.
I'm drunk, not blind. I could spot that gun from a mile away.
So you saw the picture of it in the papers a few years back? Not surprised. Those pig-headed reporters wrote about it everywhere, even before the victim's family was alerted. It's a damn shame.
One more. It's another notch on the barrel.
You must be delusional. It has no other case history.
Just because you can't see God doesn't mean he doesn't exist.
Is there something that you want to tell me?
No, but I'm curious as to why you have it.
It's the murder weapon for a case I'm working with the help of my darling wife. We're going to solve it. It doesn't help that she doubts me all the damn time.
A couple of detectives, huh? You don't normally see couples working together on the force. That's quite progressive of your folks.
Don't get too excited. We're not cops. We're investigators for hire. The cops failed the victim's family long before we started the case.
And now we have failed them too.
Quiet, Cecil. The case is still ongoing.
Listen to your wife and give up. If they were killed using that gun, the shooter will never be caught.
And what makes you say that?
It's like countless handlers. No one truly owns it. Trying to find the trigger man is next to impossible.
Not this perpetrator. We're hot on his trail, and I'm going to find him.
Not the way that you're going about it.
You always doubt me, woman. You need to have some faith. Since you are the foremost expert of this firearm, I'm sure that you've heard of the Brick Alley killing last year.
No, actually I haven't.
Really?
I don't know what to tell you. I've never heard of the murders before tonight.
Then how did you know that multiple people died?
I used to work here as a bartender. When the gin starts flowing, people tend to tell you a thing or two. Maybe someone mentioned it and I just forgot. You worked here as a bartender? For a brief period. I couldn't stand it and had to leave. Too many bums.
Do you know this man? He's from Greenie.
No, I've never seen him before.
Really? Because it seems like you have.
I will not be dragged into your case. I'm done with this conversation. Leave the man alone, Michelle.
You know this man. You are protecting him, aren't you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Unless you killed those boys. You did, didn't you?
Michelle, you're crazy? You made a promise to me. Put that down. You can't prove anything.
I don't need to. I'll kill you right now. I'm the judge, jury, and executioner. I am God. I know it was you. Just admit it, goddammit.
Your wife is right. You're crazy.
10.
Have you lost your goddamn mind?
9. 8.
Talk some sense into your husband.
7. 6.
He's not my problem anymore.
5. 4.
Bartender, this man is pointing a gun at me.
3. 2. 1.
Fine, you fucking lunatic. It was me. I killed Louis.
Louis?
Yes, Louis. Please get that gun away from me.
Who the fuck is Louis?
Louis Cousteau, the other victim.
Oh, that's it. I'm done. I'm giving up. I'm a failure.
Finally, the first sensible thing that you say in 6 months. That's okay, Michelle. You can't solve them all.
Except I did. I solved every single fucking case until you joined my practice. You fucking crippled me.
Want another?
More than you'll ever know.